What's up, YouTube? Listen, man, we just put the finishing touches on what is another phenomenal week that is in the books. We want to talk all about it today, guys. I want to teach you a lesson for next week. Okay, this is called riding a wave. All right, I'm going to show you guys this and how we took advantage of it on today with the SPY specifically hitting the levels we talked about in this morning's video. Okay, without further ado, class is in session. Do me a favor, if you see this over the course of the weekend, please take some notes and apply this on Monday morning, as I will give you guys also some guidance on where the SPY is headed for next week. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay guys, class is in session. Today's lesson will be coming from the 5-minute chart, so I want you guys to do me a favor, take some notes, follow along, rewatch this if you need to. We're going to go ahead and get right after it, guys. Check this out right here out the gate. This was the gap up we talked about this morning. Okay, we closed here, we gapped up here. This is a gap and go, guys. Check this out though. It ran up, came back to retest. Watch the significance of this. This is the 13 EMA that it tested. Okay, this is also a entry point for those that may have not been in the SPY. This was that 400 level I talked about and called this morning. Okay, it hit this 13 EMA, guys, and look at this, guys. It rode the wave the entire day. Not once did it break through and down, and not once did it touch this 48 line down here. This is a 48 EMA for those wondering. Not once did we fall on today. Okay, this level right here, guys, was our 401 level that we talked about, and then this right here was 402. And the SPY today, guys, just decided to just break through all resistance level and just went on a tear, as you can see, closing at 404.73 and after hours and 404.19 to close out intraday. Okay, but it was a phenomenal day. Now the lesson in this, guys, is the fact that you will have days where you need to just ride the wave. Okay, you will have days where you just need to ride the wave. In this particular instance, guys, there was no need to do anything other than just ride the play up. Okay, not once on the 5-minute chart, and this is why we deal with the 5-minute chart and the 15-minute chart, because you rule out all the back and forth and the nuance of what the market will be doing from minute to minute, second to second. If you guys stay on the 5-minute chart, especially on a day like today when the stock is up, or this is true for if the stock is going down, then it's stuck in a downtrend the whole day. When it rides that level and it doesn't break through, you already know throughout the day, you can be certain that this stock is going to continue it on its trajectory. Okay, and so guys, look at this. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna clear this out just a little bit so you can see where I'm trying to operate from. This, after it bounced up here, guys, boom, it hit here. That was another entry. Rolled this wave up again, bounced here. This was another entry. Rolled up again, bounced here. If you couldn't get in, this was another entry. And as you can see throughout the day, there were several times to get through and get into this play if you weren't in it, because again, when you understand where you enter when the stock is in an uptrend, you can also join the party even if you're joining late, because the trajectory was up. And this is what we talk about, guys. The trend is your friend. And so in this particular instance, it was just okay to ride the trend. All right, listen guys, we had a phenomenal day on today. Let me show you guys this. We have people that was doing their thing, hitting the levels, respecting the resistance levels, having a plan, locking in profit. Guys, remember this: once resistance is broken, it turns into support. Okay, we have those levels for a reason, so that you can know this is the next destination. Two things happen at resistance. It's either going to break through or get rejected. That's all that can happen. Okay, and so you have to react to what you see. Today it hit 401, it hit 402, it hit 403, and then we closed at 404, guys. It was a phenomenal day. We didn't even have to worry about anything to the downside. So with that being said, guys, I just want to say major salute to those of you that did your thing on today. Really quickly, guys, to close it out, check out Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. It was up 3.65% on the day. It is up a little bit more in after hours. It recovered from yesterday's beat down from the investor day debacle, up almost $7 on today alone. And look, guys, again, this will always serve you if you just have a plan. You can make money with this to the upside, you can make money with this to the downside, okay? But for next week, guys, now that we have recaptured some of these levels, this puts in play that whole $200 price range, the 202 price range, and then eventually we'll try to go back and retest that 208 level, okay? Be on the lookout for that on tomorrow, okay? Also, guys, we got the SPY sitting here at 404.73 in after hours. It too was up 1.5% today, or almost $6, $6.50 to be specific. Check this out, guys. Make a note of this, okay? Next week, possibly as early as Monday, I'm looking for a test, okay? I'm expecting a test of at least 407, potentially 408, okay? So that's another $3-4 from here. That's a quick way for you guys if you, again, get in on a dip, get in on a pullback, respect the trend, master your entry. You got an easy play. I'm already telling you that level in advance. Do your research, look over your charts over the course of the weekend while you're watching this video, and just map out the routes we may take to get there, okay? We might have a pullback to digest some of this move we had these last 2 days. We might gap up and go right to that level, okay? But regardless of how we get there, that's the next destination. 407, 408 is what we're looking for Monday, all right? And then last but not least, guys, I'll end it with Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, sitting at 151.40. This one was up 3.5% on the day. It closed the day at 151. Again, it was just as low as 143 on yesterday. And you think about that, almost an $8-10 move with just between yesterday and today. What a way to close up the week. But this is what happens when you know your levels, okay, guys? Respect them to the upside, respect them to the downside. More importantly, have a trading plan and manage your risk. You guys do that, the rest of the game will take care of itself. Listen, guys, phenomenal week. Let's get ready to run it back again next week, guys. It's time to get busy, so I want you guys to build on the things we did excellent this week. Reflect on the things you need to work on for next week, okay? We make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.